Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that DGByte coin first broke out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it formed this rising wedge pattern, and now you can see that still it is moving inside this rising wedge. By the way, we had a very powerful rally after this breakout from this low to this high that was more than 147% rally, and during this rally, the price line has broken out very significant resistance of $0.00817 and then 1 cent, and after that it has broken out this resistance of 1.3 cents, and now it is about to hit this long-term resistance of 1.85 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.85 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and before that for several months or even years it has been breaking as a very strong support. And if we want this support of 1 cent that we have recently broken out, 1.3 cents, that has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, here it has been also breaking as a resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you these two breakouts from these two falling wedges. And these breakouts are happened, by the way, on the 7 days time frame chart. And after breaking out this recent falling wedge pattern recently, you can see that it has also broken out a quite long-term and very strong resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And I would also like to share with you a long-term trade signal of DigiByte coin that I shared with my members on 6th of June 2023. And so far, this trade signal has produced almost 200% very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this long-term trade signal that I shared with my members in the month of June on 6th of June 2023. And that was a quite long-term trade signal because this move was formed on a weekly time frame chart. This was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 200%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of DigiByte coin. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was quite squeezed, I was telling you in those days that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this wedge, because this is also a bullish bias pattern as well. And now after the breakout, you can see we had a nice rally, and at this time it has formed another rising wedge pattern. This is, by the way, a bearish bias pattern, and in case of breaking it down, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 1 cent, and over there we have a lot of support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 2.6 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance of 1.85 cents, a quite long-term resistance. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out two very big falling wedges. One was broken out here in the month of January 2023, and after that, it was moving inside in another falling wedge pattern that we broke out here in the month of November 2023. And so far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 213%. And during this rally, we have broken out so many significant resistance levels. And now you can see that the price line is about to hit this long-term resistance of 1.85 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and support here as well. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very significant resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see for the past several months, the price line was again and again getting rejected by this resistance. And now this cloud is also turned bullish. You can see the color is changed from red to green. And now we have also broken out the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now this cloud can work as a strong and long-term support for the price line. And it will be really helpful for the price line to continue this rally to the upside. This lagging span of Ichimoku cloud has completely entered the buying zone, and soon it is about to break out the upper bands or upper resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And we have also received a bull cross between the conversion and the baseline of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is a very powerful buying signal, especially on this 7 days time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge at 1.85 cents, and you can see that we are almost there. And the target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is between 18 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.